Taking some before footage. We're supposed to get a storm starting tonight. I guess up to 12, 14 inches. We'll see. Well, snowmaggedon didn't really happen. Doesn't look like that many inches. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to clean that out. See what's going on at the end of the driveway. It's sleeting right now, so I don't want to move any of the snow because I don't want to get it icy.
So David's off to help our neighbor. We know he has a snowblower, but we saw him out there shoveling, so we felt really bad. But it's icing. That's not showing up on the camera. Let's see if I can try to get it here. Maybe you can tell a little bit. So you want to layer snow and then your ice on top of that. Oh my goodness, I came out here to record David and almost slipped to my death because I didn't look that we got snow in the garage. Supposed to keep going to 4 a.m. It's about 5:30 p.m. right now. And it started about 1 a.m. But for the most part, it's been this really fine little misting ice rain. So it helped with us not getting too high of an accumulation. But I'm just happy with whatever gives me a day off of school, especially since we pre-worked those hours. So I'm just getting the time I've already worked back. It is 13 degrees outside and David is using the snowblower to do a pass down the driveway to remove some of the snow, but also to help our neighbors out because we saw them shoveling and we know that is the worst. So since we have the tractor with the snowblower, he went out to help. But I'm making him some tea so when he comes back it can be nice and warm. This is our favorite, the salted caramel by Bigelow. We use 4 bags in the teapot and it is so good. Staying warm by the fire.